To clean or replace the air filter on your RZR 570, follow these steps. Place the transmission in park. Pull up on the latch and remove the cargo box access panel. Clean any dirt or debris from the airbox area. Loosen the intake hose clamp on the airbox cover. Locate and unclip the airbox cover clips and carefully remove the airbox cover. Inspect the airbox cover seal and replace if necessary. Remove the air filter from the airbox housing. Inspect the air filter and replace if necessary. Notice, in dusty conditions, air filter replacement will be required more often. Do not attempt to clean the air filter with compressed air. If the filter has become soaked with fuel or oil, it must be replaced. Do not attempt to clean the air filter. Clean the airbox thoroughly. Wipe well with a clean, dry cloth. Notice, dirt or debris in the intake could result in severe engine damage. Always clean all dirt and debris from the intake before installing the filter. Reinstall the air filter, if clean, or install a new filter. Ensure the filter is fully seated. Notice, use of non-Polaris approved air filters may cause engine damage. Always use a Polaris approved replacement filter. Replacement filters are available at your Polaris dealer. Reinstall the airbox cover on the intake hose and align with the airbox. Secure the cover clips. Torque the intake hose clamp to specification. Reinstall the cargo box access panel. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.